Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a tornado warning for central Marshall County in central Illinois until 8:30 p.m. At 7:52 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Camp Grove, or 8 miles northwest of Lincoln, moving east at 40 miles. Hazards of the tornado and steam all-size hail. Dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Lincoln, Henry, and Sparland around 8 p.m. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. The current time is